Good day, everyone. And our groups is here again to present our presentation, which is week 17 that stands for final project in CCS 103. And, and the JavaScript application that will demonstrate a library application system. I'd like to quickly introduce myself. My name is Rod Christian C. Salvador from 1IT-C.
Hi, my name is Isaiah Charles Di Rosete from 1IT-C. So this is my part, the frame main.
My name is Gideon Centino and my student number is 2101919. And my part is frame add.
My name is Iris Evergan and will be explaining the frame ad.
Good day, sir. My name is Don Carlos Miguel Piabella.
So, good day everyone. My name is Rockney Nico Enero and my student number is 2101769.
My name is Micaela Maydi Macariola and my student number is 2102049. And I'll be explaining the part of frame returning books.
So, hi, I am Joylene Leandelar Constantino and I'm going to explain the frame account management.
This is the frame main. As you see, this is the base or the home page of the application. The frame main contains selection for the user to use or interact with, such as account, borrow books, information, transaction, and manage book. Each one of it has a function to the user interact with it. The two buttons from the left side function when the user interact with it. The two buttons labeled as Show Books and New Release.
Frame add. Add stacks is served as the search button of the program application, making it easy to user to find the books user looking for his frame. Will also not function correctly when the user enter the correct value.
You need to use the Booking In tab from the main menu to add to your existing stack to the stack control software system. Now, you will see the benefits of a sensible stack analysis hierarchy. The inventory management software expects book-in stock to be matched with a purchase order, so you will need to create a purchase orders for an existing inventory you have.
The frame release books activities or function and pops up when the user interacts with the button New Release, showing the latest release book, ID, title of book, the author, categories, volume, and stocks, making the user updated, guided an essay to find the item or book they finding for. This frame can also minimize, maximize, and close.
Frame approving books. Frame approving books serve as the library card of the application. The frame will transfer to the frame approving books when the user clicks or interact with the A book that the user selected. The user will enter his or her name with the ID number, the book's title, volume, and will also input the date he or she borrowed and when she or he will return it. This frame contains error when the user put the wrong value of each selection, making the user to recheck and retype the value. Next.
Frame students borrowing books shows up when the user interacts with the borrowed book section, showing look like a search button. The user should enter his ID number, last, first, and middle name and its collage fit to record the actions of the user. The user will enter the book's number to be able to find the book. This frame also contains error when the user doesn't enter the value of the each block. and also when the user mistype of the value.
Frame returning books contains the book ID and the student ID, where the user will enter the book of his or her student ID number to be able to record from the server which book has been already returned. The frame should be input with the correct value of the two tables to find and record the transaction. Entering wrong value will result an error or can find.
So for the frame account management will run if the user clicks the account section. As you see, the surface of the frame shows different kinds of options, making the user able to update his or her profile or account. User should input the ID number, last name, first name, middle name, old username, and the new username that they want to use. And when the old username has been input, the user will be able to put a new one, and the user should re-enter his or her new password for the confirmation. And in addition, the user can also show his or her password to double check if she or he entered the value correctly. The two button at the category, which is the college and program, is designed or coded when the user switch courses. The three button below is when the user makes a changes for their username and password. Update the account when the user switch course, and cancel when the user does not want to change his or her account anymore.